In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert JPG to PDF in Adobe Acrobat. We're going to walk through a simple and practical way to turn an image file into a PDF using Adobe Acrobat online. This is useful if you want to share a photo or scanned image in a more professional format, or if you need a file type that's easier to send, store, or print. To get started, open Adobe Acrobat Home in your web browser. Once the page loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the main home screen because that's where you'll begin the upload process. Next, look toward the bottom right area of the page for the Your Files section. In that area, click on Upload Files. This will open your device's file browser and let you choose the image you want to work with. If you have several files on your computer, it helps to already know where your JPG is saved so you can find it quickly. Now select the JPG file from your device. After you click on the file and confirm your selection, Adobe Acrobat will upload it and open it inside the workspace. Depending on your internet speed and the size of the image, this may take a few seconds, so just give it a moment to finish loading completely. Once the file opens, move your attention to the top bar and click on Convert. This takes you to the file conversion options available inside Acrobat. It's an important step because this is where you tell Acrobat what format you want to create from your uploaded image. After that, look to the left-hand column and find the Convert to PDF section. Click on Convert there to begin the actual conversion. At this stage, Adobe Acrobat processes the JPG and turns it into a PDF file. In most cases, this happens pretty quickly. When the conversion is complete, Acrobat will open the newly editable PDF file for you automatically. That means your image is now inside a PDF format and ready to review. You can check that everything looks correct on the page and make sure the image appears the way you expect. And that's it. You've successfully converted a JPG into a PDF using Adobe Acrobat. If you're following along, just make sure the final PDF opens properly before closing the page so you know the conversion is finished successfully. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.